Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vlada. A common problem I hear about quite often is from girls who are embarrassed by their excessive body hair. Excessive hair can pop up anywhere, including the face, upper lip, chest, belly, bikini line, and even the lower back. According to research, 8 to 10% of women across the globe are now facing this frustrating problem. Excessive hair on the body of a female is commonly known as hirsutism, which is due to an uptick in male hormones. Some of the major symptoms of excessive male hormones are onset mouth pattern baldness, excessive acne and pimples on the body, and more alarmingly is the irregular menstrual cycles. This is primarily due to a hormonal imbalance. It could either be low or high. Or, in many cases, hirsutism is produced due to PCOS. Now, those of you who are facing it presently, I'm with you, and I have a number of great homemade and 100% herbal solutions to this problem, which will be a relief to all of my girls. If you'd like to know how to reverse this pesky problem, keep on watching. A study developed in Turkey suggests that the consumption of spearmint tea can help reduce and in many cases completely treat excessive hair growth for women. There are basically 5 simple steps to prepare spearmint tea. First of all, you'll need a large saucepan so as to pour about 1 1/4 pints of water into it. Then, on slow heat, let it cook so that the water simmers. Now, add the magical ingredient, the spearmint, into the boiling water, but please rinse the leaves of spearmint before doing so. After about 10 to 15 minutes, remove the pan from heat and leave it on for a while to cool slightly before you serve it. Pour the prepared tea in a jug and throw away the leaves of spearmint. Enjoy this healthy, enjoyable, and delightful tea. Spearmint is an organic and herbal treatment which can help get rid of body hair efficiently and, most importantly, without any side effects on your health. What's more interesting is that if this remedy is utilized twice a day, you'll never have to face the issue of excessive body hair ever again. Let me know in the comments down below if spearmint tea has worked for you in the past. Also, be sure to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye!